never go in the water without adults. We like splashing in the water. The water is warm. We see lots of things at the beach. In the water. Whoa. Okay, I'm not wet. Hey, so we can ride off. We saw some seaweed. Ooh. Penelope. I found some seaweed. Oh, I love digging. Okay. I saw some shells. We found rocks. I am throwing rocks in the water. We saw the big rock.